When posting content on social media platforms, what best practices should you follow? First of all, your post should be succinct. Attention spans for humans are shorter than ever, so you need to make your point quickly. Secondly, you want to make sure that your post is super topical and relevant to your audience. In addition to your post being relevant and topical, you want to make sure that they include an explicit CTA or a link so that your audience knows exactly what you want them to do with this information. For example, asking them to comment, like, or share. People make fast decisions around what content they want to engage with, so be sure to include rich media such as photos or videos to make your posts stand out to your consumers in their cluttered news feeds. Consider asking questions of your audience and add hashtags and emojis where appropriate. A story is temporary content on your social experience, so it's important to understand its ephemeral, short-lived nature. Let's walk through some of the best practices for creating an optimal story. Stories are a great way of showing an authentic, raw side to your brand. You can do this through sharing photos, interviews, and exclusive behind-the-scenes content. You can also use social influencers with your stories to assist with reach and credibility. Have them create story takeovers. This means they come onto your account and take over your story feed for a whole day. You can use them to grab users' attention and share messaging points. Be sure to fully leverage any native platform tools that are available. For example, make use of all the editing features and customization tools that are native to stories. You can diversify your stories' content by adding videos, photos, and boomerangs to keep it interesting. You can use @mentions to mention other users within your story. So when you're having a social influencer take over, or if you want to highlight a partner or a business, you can tag them in your story. Consider including a See More link to drive traffic from your story to an alternate location. This could be your business's website, somewhere that generates leads, or a promotion. Be sure to have a clear narrative about whatever event you're promoting in your story. Lastly, be sure to include a clear CTA, like a promo code or a link to your website that will drive a trackable action from your consumers.